Hi there, I'm Amy Gooden, and I'm a financial aid counselor in the office at Muskingum University. I'm here to give you a brief rundown of the financial aid process for the spring of your senior year in high school. We realize that this is a stressful and hectic time, so we rest assured that we'll guide you every step of the way. The first thing that you need to take care of is that you need to apply for admission. We need to know that you have been accepted to Muskingum before we can provide you with the financial aid package. You also want to make sure that you get your taxes filed for the current tax year, as you will need this information to complete your FAFSA. The FAFSA, or the Free Application for Federal Student Aid, is the primary application that gets the financial aid process started for the current year. You want to make sure that you are applying for the academic year that you will be enrolled in college. You can file the FAFSA at www.fafsa.gov, and we encourage you to complete the FAFSA by March 1st. If you have completed your taxes at least 2 weeks prior to completing the FAFSA, we encourage you to try to utilize the IRS data retrieval tool, which will let you go into the FAFSA and transfer your IRS information directly into your FAFSA, so you don't have to manually enter information from your taxes. Either way, you do need your taxes to complete the FAFSA. If you have any questions about that process, please contact our office. We'll be happy to walk you through it. Once you have completed your FAFSA and submitted it, we will receive your results and review them. We encourage you to report any special circumstances to our office. If you are expecting an income reduction or a loss of wages, or you're paying out-of-pocket medical expenses, or a parent or student is paying loans for their own education, we'd like to know that information, as we may be able to use that when considering your financial aid award. Once you have completed your FAFSA, you will also receive a student aid report. You will receive this by either email if you reported your email on the FAFSA, or you will receive it in the mail. The student aid report will list all of the information that you have listed on the FAFSA so that you can review it and make corrections if you need to. If you notice that you have made any errors on the FAFSA, or you need to make any updates to your information, you just need to go back into your FAFSA online and correct your information. Then you just resubmit it and it will come to our office and we will review it for you. Once you get your student aid report, this is also to let you know that the schools that you listed on the FAFSA to receive your information has received your FAFSA and will be reviewing it. Once you have reviewed your student aid report, you can expect us to review your FAFSA information and create a financial aid package for you. You will receive your financial aid award in the mail, generally the first or second week of March. You will receive your financial aid award in the mail because a lot of times this is a decision, a family decision. So we want to have parents and students be able to review the financial aid package. The financial aid award includes tuition and fees, room and meal plan charges if applicable. It also includes any scholarships that you are eligible for through Muskingum, any performance awards that you may have auditioned for, and it also includes need-based grants. The need-based grants are based off of the results of your FAFSA. We always encourage students, at least in their first year, to complete the FAFSA, as they may be eligible for need-based grants from Muskingum, even if they do not believe they'll be eligible for federal or state aid. The financial aid award will also list any federal aid, including the Pell Grant, and any state aid, including the Ohio College Opportunity Grant, for which you may be eligible for. There is no separate application for these grants. Your financial aid award will take your costs and subtract your scholarship and grant eligibility to give you a total billed cost minus scholarships and grants. It will also list any loans that you are eligible for and give you an idea of what your bottom line cost or responsible to pay amount will be. If you'd like more information about understanding your financial aid award, please watch our video. Once you receive your financial aid award, we encourage you to contact our office if you have any questions. The contact information will be available at the end of this video. You may be wondering what you do after you receive your financial aid award. We always encourage you to contact our office if you have questions. We also request that you return any information that we have requested from you. Some of you may be required for a process called verification. Verification is a process where we have to verify that the information that you provided on the FAFSA is accurate. Doesn't mean that you've done anything wrong, just means we have to double check your information. You may receive something in the mail where you have to return a form or complete a tax verification process. If you receive this information and you have any questions, certainly give us a call and we'll help you through that process. Please get that information back to us as soon as you can. Once the financial aid process is completed and you have decided to attend Muskingum, we encourage you to send in your enrollment deposit by May 1st. The enrollment deposit just lets us secure your place in the incoming class and get you registered for upcoming events. One of the upcoming events is Muskie Preview. Muskie Preview is an orientation session that you may attend generally at the very end of May or early June. You pick one day. We request that a parent attend with you because there is information for both students and parents on that day, which will be very helpful. Students will register for classes, they will do preferencing for residence halls, and they will also write down information regarding the type of roommate that they would like to have if they haven't already selected one. Parents will attend sessions about financial aid and financing options. They will also get to meet Residence Life staff, talk with campus police, computer network services, academic affairs, and many other departments on campus. It's a great day to get a lot of your questions answered. In June, you will receive an email with helpful information about student and parent loans. The email will include links to the Federal Parent Plus loan and with information about the Federal Direct Stafford loans. You will receive your billing statement usually in the first or second week of July. The billing statement will be for the fall semester. So your financial aid award is for the full year. So you will take the amount that is listed on your financial aid award, the responsible to pay, and divide that in half. And that should be roughly the amount or the same amount that you have on your billing statement. Once you receive your billing statement, we want to make sure that you have made your financing decisions. You may find information on financing at muskingum.edu/financial aid. Once again, we encourage you to contact us if you have any questions. You may reach us by phone or you can email us. There are 2 counselors in our office that work with undergraduate students. Me, Amy, works with students whose last names are A through L, and my email is agooden@muskingum.edu. Amber Gump is the counselor that works with students whose last names begin with M through Z, and she may be reached at amberg@muskingum.edu. Thanks for watching.